Today we're going to make the perfect McDonald's fries. These are all the ingredients we need. We're going to use a knife because a chip cutter cuts them way too thick. Square off all of the edges, cut it into slices, and cut them into chips. Now they're cut up, grab a bowl of ice cold water. Throw the chips in for 5 minutes to soak out all the starch. Let the chips dry off for about 5 minutes. Put the chips into boiling water. Add half a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of golden syrup. Leave to soak for 10 minutes. Bring them out to dry for 5 minutes. Into the freezer for 20 minutes. Heat your oil to 175 degrees. They should be cold but not frozen. Cook for 2 minutes. Bring them out to cool for 10 minutes. Put them back in for 7 minutes. Bring them out and dry them off. Add yourself an extortionate amount of salt. There you have the perfect McDonald's fries. Make sure you share this with your friends. Come back for the next video where I make McDonald's chicken nuggets.